We're here at the South by Southwest premiere for Chili Finger. You guys, we're going to chat with producers, directors, and stars of this film, so let's get to talking. Two quick silly questions for you.
Great, I love
This
silly
movie
questions.
is obviously loosely kind of based on a finger being found in someone's chili. So if there was something that you would hope to find in your chili that's kind of random, what would you hope that would be?
A winning lottery ticket.
That's a great answer.
You know, just buried under there, and you're like, there's paper in my chili, and then it's $1 million ticket.
You're like, oh no, more money. Yeah, I love that. Okay, and then what's like your go-to chili bowl? Like what's in your chili when you're making it?
Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Okay.
I don't eat a lot of chili,
Fair.
but I just went to the famous Texas Chili House. No, Texas Chili Parlor here in Austin, and it was amazing. They had jalapenos, onions, beef, no beans, and it's honestly the best chili I've ever had.
They were not messing around. I'll have to check that out.
No, Austin does not mess around when it comes to food, and the chili is certainly the best in the world. This is a perfect place for Chili Finger the movie.
Yeah, that's right. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.